Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
Hello there. Been a while, huh? So today I'm gonna be making my game into like a functioning game, make it look good, and also possibly upload it onto HIO so you guys can download and play it. So yeah, let's get started. So the first step to making a good game is particles. And that was when I found this tutorial by the channel going by the name Press Start that taught me how to use the power of particles. So the particle system was a mess. I wasn't able to figure it out, and yeah, I might just do it in the next video. The second step to making a good game is, well, good graphics, because right now we just got a blank background, so maybe a sky. So this is a montage of me making the sky. So as you can see, I'm done with my amazing sky. All I need to do now is to just import this as a PNG onto my Unity editor and just implement it. Yeah. Alright, so I just imported it into Unity. I know it looks amazing. So yeah. That's it for the sky. Yeah. So that's it for today. I'm just gonna continue tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, step 3 to making a good game is to add some good quality or post-processing. So I got to work and, well, just added some post-processing. So after some time of just tweaking some post-processing effects, this is what we have. It looks pretty nice if you ask me. Yeah. So step 4 to making a good game is to, well, name it. So according to Crazy Beast Gamer's suggestion, I'm going to be naming my game Bloxy Blocks. Step 5 to making a good game is, well, building the game and uploading it to HIO. So I set off to export the game or build the game as in exe, and also making the icon for the game. Alright, so I just got done with the logo. Looks pretty nice. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'm just gonna build the project and upload it to HIO tomorrow. So before we build this game for Mac and Windows, let's add a menu screen, because well, every good game has a menu screen. Alright, so I just threw in a simple menu screen over here. As you can see, the exit button, it doesn't really work. It's gonna work when I build it as an exe or something like that, so it won't work right now. And the play button, that works. If you click the play, it's just gonna teleport you to the scene where all the players there and all that stuff. Yep, just like that, you're teleported over here. You can jump around, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. Now, this is the important part. We have to build it. So before I build it, I have to say something. I had to remove the sky because I did a test build before recording this, and this guy just messed up things, so I had to remove it. RIP Sky. So I uploaded the game to HIO. So I just got done with uploading the game to HIO. Yeah, there'll be a link down in the description for you to download the game. Currently the game is only available for Windows. I will try to make it available for Mac too, but yeah, I'll be in my next video, I guess. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.